Hi, it's Richard from Tango Tango and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to take a look at Tango Tango ConnectCare, which is a web-based admin tool. It allows you to administer users, groups, and look at other usage information about your Tango Tango service. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to the login screen. You can get to there by admin.tangotango.io, and if you don't have an account on ConnectCare, contact our tech support at support@tangotango.net. and we can get you set up. So let's log in. These are the menu items that you see here on the left-hand side of the screen, but before we go into each menu, I want to take a look at these service components. These icons here give you a short form summary of the status of your Tango Tango service. So all green is good. If there's a degradation or an outage, then these would turn from either yellow to indicate degradation or red to indicate a complete outage. Let's go to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you kind of a summary view of some of the things that are important to your Tango Tango service. The status of your service, whether there's any scheduled maintenance. It tells you a little bit about the number of users and groups and some of the activity in the last 24 hours. You can also see location information for your users and also a history of the last 24 hours of call data. The rest of the menus dive in more detail on some of these same concepts. So let's go first to map. Map is going to show you a map that's relevant to your service area, and it's also going to show you users on that map. Currently there's no users showing here, but they show as green dots for all users that have their GPS enabled. We also have some weather information that might be helpful to you as well, and it's relevant to your local area. Next, let's go to users. This is a screen that you're going to spend a lot of time on because this is where you can, as you can see the users here. And then you can also do things like add a user. And this is the information that you need if you're going to add a user. You can modify an existing user. You see that I just check a box here and then click modify. And that allows me to change something about an existing user. You can reactivate a user. Reactivation is very important because a lot of times people will forget their login information, or they'll get a new phone and they'll need this new information. So if you just click this box here and click reactivate, then it will send a reactivation text to that phone, allowing them to get back on the Tango Tango service. Finally, you can delete a user using this user's screen. Also, for every user, there's the ability to look at the contacts and the groups and the call history associated with that user. If I go to the group screen next, this tells me the talk groups that are assigned to me. You can add a group if you'd like. You can modify a group and you can delete a group, similar to users. You can also look at group membership here. So this is going to pull up, if I click here, this is going to pull up a list of all possible people that might be added. So first of all, this is the membership right now. And then if I click this right here, I can decide to add some more people to the group if I'd like. The other screens, menus on ConnectCare relate to your service with regard to radio integration. We won't go into the detail on this, but if you click radio, you'll see your radio integrated talk groups. Interop is going to show you if you're connected to other Tango Tango customers such that you're allowed to share contacts or share talk groups. Activity is just going to show you a record of adds and drops that you've done through your portal. And then account is where you see some basic information about the account, including allowing you to provision a contact name and a contact email. So when I'm done, I can go up to this gear icon and log out, and then I've logged out of ConnectCare. So that's a short summary of how ConnectCare works. Thanks for watching.